Hey, it's Tim from iRepair here, and today I'm going to be showing you the simplest way to colorize your folders on Macs. You're going to want one application for this, and I'm going to leave a link for it in the description below. It's called Folder Colorizer for Mac from a company called Softorino, and I like this because it's very simple to use. All you do is you drag and drop the folder there, and for example, let's reset this to the original here. I don't really want to do that, but yeah, let's just switch this back really quickly. I'm gonna do this. No, let's see, looks nice, but okay, I like that better. And then for the the folder in the background, let's do a purple. I like that. And then let's do an iPhone phone. I mean, it is an iPhone. And since this relates to repairs, let's do a toolbox. There you go. Colorize photo. And then if you want to reset it, you click reset to default. Let's do another one, YouTube here. YouTube. Let's do more of a reddish color. It's pink, but it's the closest we've got here. And then let's go TV, the classic YouTube icon, and then ooh, for movies, I actually like this a little better. I think that looks nicer, and I don't really want to customize it here. And there you go. All right, awesome. That's gonna be pretty much it. I'm gonna leave a link for this in the description. I hope that's been helpful. And really quickly, let me get a YouTube thumbnail going here. All right, thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.